Greetings, lovely people. Welcome back to my kitchen. To all my channel members and all my supporters, a big thank you. Let's make some natural juice in Sister J's kitchen.
Every time when you cook, all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend, them comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. One leap of spice of it day in the pot. Sister J, she no play to the world where we say when not time to cook, she no delay. Me swear.
So today I'll be making two kind of juice. Green juice consists of celery, cucumber, ginger, and lemon. I already have the cucumber peel and wash also the celery. Now I'm here peeling the lemon because I'm going to put everything in the juicer. If you're here for the first time, a warm welcome to you. This is Sister J, and this channel I cook food, I make juices, I talk about food, and of course, I eat food. If this is something that's of interest to you, then why not hit that subscribe button and put that post notification bell on so you'll be notified of future upload. To all my longtime supporters, thank you all so much for sticking around with me. I know I've been posting as I should, but I'm back now. Sister J is back. All right? So let's make some juice in Sister J's kitchen. And you know, I always say my way, my version, my style. Yes, it not change. Same thing. I always do things my way, my version, and my style. Yes, no carbon copy around here. So I'll be using the juicer, and let me go ahead and do the green juice first. The celery, cucumber, ginger, and lemon. So while I make this juice, you know, the juicer is going to make a lot of noise. So I'm just going to do less talking and put some music in the background. All right? Bless up yourself.
Sister Jane at the kitchen. What a vibes. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Yeah, hear me. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Anything at all where she cook finger licking. Nice like rice and peas and chicken. Nothing at all, no left back in the dishes. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Sometimes by the water say fishing. Other times in our backyard garden. Eat where you grow, healthy way for living. Do the vlog, cook the food, use the fruits, make the juice, and she still have bake sweet pastries for the toad. Sister Jane, your cuisine are the truth. Yeah, hear me. Want know what the on the menu, so me put. Don't know everything you cook it tastes good. So me bite my finger them just as me should. Every time. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Anything where she cook finger licking. Nice like rice and peas and chicken. Nothing at all, no left back in the dishes. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Sometimes by the water she fishing. Other times in our backyard garden. Eat where you grow, healthy way for living. Me want everybody subscribe on the YouTube channel, me just rise. She give me breakfast, so me just rise. And give me lunch when it touch lunchtime. Dinner when a night time. Everything right. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Everything at all where she cook finger licking. Nice like rice and peas and chicken. Sister Jane at the kitchen. What a vibes. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Yeah, hear me. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Anything at all where she cook finger licking. Nice like rice and peas and chicken. Nothing at all, no left back in the dishes. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Sometimes by the water say fishing. Other times in our backyard garden. Eat where you grow, healthy way for living. Do the vlog, cook the food, use the fruits, make the juice, and she still have bake sweet pastries for the toad. Sister Jane, your cuisine are the truth. Yeah, hear me. Want know what the on the menu, so me pull. Don't know everything your cookie tastes good. So me bite my finger them just as me should. Every time. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Anything where she cook finger licking. Nice like rice and peas and chicken. Nothing at all no left back in the dishes. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Sometimes by the water she fishing. Other times in her backyard garden. Eat where you grow, healthy way for living. Me want everybody subscribe on the YouTube channel, me just rise. She give me breakfast, so me just rise. And give me lunch when it touch lunchtime. Dinner when a night time. Everything right. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Everything at all where she cook finger licking. Nice like rice and peas and chicken. Sister Jane at the kitchen. What a vibes. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Yeah, hear me. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Anything at all where she cook finger licking. Nice like rice and peas and chicken. Nothing at all no left back in the dishes. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Sometimes by the water say fishing. Other times in our backyard garden. Eat where you grow, healthy way for living. Do the vlog, cook the food, use the fruits, make the juice, and she still have bake sweet pastries for the toad. Sister Jane, your cuisine are the truth. Yeah, hear me. Want know what the on the menu, so me pull. Don't know everything your cookie tastes good. So me bite my finger them just as me should. Every time. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Anything where she cook finger licking. Nice like rice and peas and chicken. Nothing at all no left back in the dishes. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Sometimes by the water she fishing. Other times in her backyard garden. Eat where you grow, healthy way for living. Me want everybody subscribe on the YouTube channel, me just rise. She give me breakfast, so me just rise. And give me lunch when it touch lunchtime. Dinner when a night time. Everything right. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Everything at all where she cook finger licking. Nice like rice and peas and chicken. Sister Jane at the kitchen. What a vibes. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Yeah, hear me. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Anything at all where she cook finger licking. Nice like rice and peas and chicken. Nothing at all no left back in the dishes. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Sometimes by the water say fishing. Other times in our backyard garden. Eat where you grow, healthy way for living. Do the vlog, cook the food, use the fruits, make the juice, and she still have bake sweet pastries for the toad. Sister Jane, your cuisine are the truth. Yeah, hear me. Want know what the on the menu, so me pull. Don't know everything your cookie tastes good. So me bite my finger them just as me should. Every time. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Anything where she cook finger licking. Nice like rice and peas and chicken. Nothing at all no left back in the dishes. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Sometimes by the water she fishing. Other times in her backyard garden. Eat where you grow, healthy way for living. Me want everybody subscribe on the YouTube channel, me just rise. She give me breakfast, so me just rise. And give me lunch when it touch lunchtime. Dinner when a night time. Everything right. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Everything at all where she cook finger licking. Nice like rice and peas and chicken. Sister Jane at the kitchen. What a vibes. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Yeah, hear me. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Anything at all where she cook finger licking. Nice like rice and peas and chicken. Nothing at all no left back in the dishes. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Sometimes by the water say fish.
There we have it, lovely folks. This is the carrot with beet. These are the green juice, celery, cucumber, ginger, and lemon. This one have mostly celery in it and less cucumber. So I'm gonna mix up the two of them. So one greater than one. And this is the carrot and the beet. Natural juice. I leave you guys. I just come on to make some juice because I know you haven't seen me for a long time on live. So, bye for now. As always, I say, live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man.